and we'll have Thanks again to my partner, David Sadowski, for joining me up here in the booth. Have fun with you boys and enjoy the rest of the weekend. Stop back anytime.
Thank you, Brian. Just like to also thank the Bowman brothers. They're up there at Church Street Camp down here. They're having a ball up there. Thanks for all the hospitality last night, you guys.
All right, way to go.
By the way, can I... Steve, thanks so much for the excellent color analyst work throughout that race. Your insight was fabulous, and we very much enjoyed having you a part of our broadcast crew this afternoon. Right on. Thank you, Barry.